Hi everyone, welcome to our first video of the year. In this one we're going to do a little bit of notes. So the first page from chapter 1 through 4. Then I have a quick video for you to watch, and then we will close up for today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
When we talk about chemistry, we're talking about the study of matter and the changes that it undergoes. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies volume. So, a chair is matter. Air is matter. The ozone layer is composed of matter. The ozone layer is found in the stratosphere. And it helps protect plants and animals from ultraviolet radiation. We have UVA, UVB, and UVC. UVB is what's responsible for sunburns, and in extreme cases, skin cancer. The ozone layer is composed of the substance oxygen. A substance is matter that has a uniform and definite composition. There are only two things that are considered substances: elements and compounds. So, oxygen is a substance because it's an element. Water is a substance because it's a compound, H2O. A chair is not considered a substance because it is neither an element nor a compound. Ozone forms when oxygen gas, O2, is exposed to ultraviolet radiation in the stratosphere. So O2, which is a molecule because it's composed of more than one atom, will react with an oxygen atom to form the molecule O3. So that could be a little confusing, but we'll talk about it in class. It forms mostly over the equator, where the sun's rays are the strongest, so there's the greatest chance of a chemical reaction happening. Although the thinning of the ozone layer is often called a hole, it is really just a much thinner area covered than normal. It's not as thick. Large-scale productions of refrigerators were produced in the search for safe coolants in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, consisting of the elements chlorine, fluorine, and carbon, were thought to be a great substance, because it's a compound, to use in refrigerators because they didn't react at the surface of the earth with pretty much any other molecule. So they were also used in plastics, foams, propellants, for spray cans, and other uses. However, after CFCs were starting to be used, scientists noticed that as the CFCs increased in the atmosphere, the ozone layer was increasingly thinning. So now we're going to watch about a 1-minute video on the ozone layer.
The stratosphere is a layer of the atmosphere extending between 11 and 30 miles from the surface of the Earth. The lower part of the stratosphere contains ozone. The ozone layer absorbs much of the incoming ultraviolet radiation from the sun. This protects land organisms from radiation's damaging mutagenic effects. Ozone is formed by the interaction of ultraviolet light and oxygen, a molecule consisting of 2 oxygen atoms. Ozone is a molecule consisting of 3 oxygen atoms. The ozone layer has begun to break down as a result of the presence in the stratosphere of chlorofluorocarbons, referred to as CFCs. CFCs were manufactured for their use in refrigeration and styrofoam production. When a molecule of CFC is exposed to ultraviolet light, a chlorine atom breaks away. This chlorine strips away an oxygen atom from ozone, reducing the ozone to a molecule of oxygen. Then the oxygen atom in the resulting chlorine compound is pulled off by an oxygen atom. The chlorine is now free to start the cycle of ozone destruction all over again. One molecule of CFC can destroy 100,000 ozone molecules.
This is pretty much how the year is going to go when I ask you to watch a video at home. So that's it for today. We will see you tomorrow in class. Have a great day.